Why am I doing this? Oh yeah, because I have an Alta. Do not die. Do not die. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to ElectroBraap. Today we are camping at Carnegie SVRA, our local spot. We got quite a few people here today. Too many to list. I'll list their Instagrams down in the description below. I don't know what we're gonna get into today, but with this many people, it's about to be a train. Another thing is you might notice I have these sexy Havocs on. Ooh, yes. Ooh. No, really though, the lens is like purple. So it's like I'm tripping out right now. It's pretty awesome. Let's see what we can get into with this huge group of people with this prime dirt out here. Let's go. So we got Tommy, we got B-Rad, we got Big Boy, we got Kev, we got Brother Electro.
High five.
And we got Dylan. We got the D. Man, it's crowded out here today. There's so many people. It's New Year's weekend, I guess. So yeah, popping off out here. Squad! Yes! Last time Kevin tried to jump that, thinking it was like a flat, plateau, and went right into the fence, but I didn't have the camera going. Yes, you conquered it! We will call you the Redeemer! I will!
2,000 years later.
So we're gonna go find like a hill or something where everyone can be at least somewhat challenged, so we could get some good footage of at least something. It's really hard to do an organized ride with all level of skill riders with this many people, but we can stay on like a hill or something. All right, so we're down where we want to be at. Let's see if we can set up some footy here. I'm gonna try and like get on the side of the hill or something. Yeah! That felt good, huh?
Yeah. Until I started tracking to the left and I was like, oh, she gone. Oh, she's spilling milk.
Hold on. Oh. Okay. You will use engine brake. Do not die. Do not die, Jew.
Yeah.
Don't too much front. No way. You can't stop. Sit on this back of that seat too. Yeah, but like, you know, 5-10 miles an hour, don't over pull that front, you'll front flip. Yeah. You're locked up still. There it goes. Not too much back brake. Let go. Yeah. Ah, he killed it. He's only been riding like 3 times. It's like not even his bike. It's amazing. Sick. Here you go. Hit my fender. Holy crap.
Holy crap.
I got that. Oh my God. Holy crap. He gone. Here comes big boy. Uh-oh. Here you go. Yes. Yes.
I was like, make sure that I feel so flat when other people are struggling on it too. So
it's pretty, yeah, it's loose, dude.
How the fuck do you keep doing that? I don't know.
What happened?
The whole thing's fucking gone.
You can just do that with your pinky. You go. I don't know if it's like, are you tightening it super tight on the perch? There should be some play to it like this one.
Yeah, there was plenty of play to it. I think it's because I just have it too far out.
Must be. It must be, dude. That's weird. It shouldn't do that. Like every single time he falls, it breaks off.
Fucking falls. Snap, snap,
Yeah,
snap.
like literally every time. Like 5 in like 3 days of riding or some shit.
Oh, I know.
God.
He had a stack of clutch levers in the garage. Every time you come back, I need to replace the clutch.
God.
I don't even have any more in the truck.
Okay. I will go. Yeah. The Dun, da, da, dun, da, dun, da, da, dun, da, da, dun, da, da. Oh no! Oh baby! I thought you were gonna go straight.
What do you mean? Straight down? Nah. He might out there. Yeah. Oh, dude, we're following here. I'm following the leader, dog.
Sorry. You didn't want to die or nothing, did you?
Go ahead, push it. There you go. Very good. It's in gear. Pull the clutch. There you go. Very good. I was like, get off the bike, get off the bike, get off the bike.
I don't think you'd die.
Nah, no.
Yeah. Silly Kevin, man.
I keep going up the damn trail. Be good.
You do fine, Jew. You have not died. Hey! You are you good? Kevin's such a soldier right now. Holy crap. Hey, out! I want to go up that. I'll help you, hold on. Fuck, crazy. You will not. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Oh yeah, because I have an Alta. Holy crap, my balls. Ha! Do that! Holy crap! Let's go the long way back. All right.
12 seconds later.
How slow can you go? How slow can you go? How slow can you go? I don't have to worry about stalling. Alta power.
Right.
We lost Jeff. He broke his clutch lever again. You didn't know that. All right, y'all. Everybody's getting tuckered out. We had some good times today. Watch some of the dudes try some things that are a little bit challenging. We're having a blast out here camping. That's all I got for today. So if you like this video, please smash that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, please do subscribe. And as always, until next time, Electro out.